guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaya for any of you that are new. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a new headband wig. Today's headband wig comes from MyShinyWigs. I do want to say thank you to MyShinyWigs for providing today's unit. It's going to be a curly textured unit and I'm going to try to attempt to make about 3 or 4 styles, so we'll see what we come up with. So if you're interested in seeing today's video, then just continue to watch. And before we jump into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and then you can follow me on my socials. They'll be right here on my screen and in my description bar below. Now let's go. So here is the unit. Like I said, it is like a really deep curl pattern. I am going to spray it with some water and then comb it out some so we can get more of a loose like twist out look versus it just being strictly like this with no additional style to it. They provided this headband, which is floral, it's light blue, green, and like a salmon peach color. And they also provided some really long eyelashes here. So in the wig, how it's constructed, you have one comb that's right in the middle that'll go here, and then you have 2 on the sides of the unit, and then you also have one comb in the back, and then it also comes with this band that is across the front of the wig, and then you'll be able to apply your headband on top of that so that you can hide this black band. And then it is also with Velcro on it, so you can make it as tight as you want. So let's just go ahead and get the unit on. I kind of have my edges already done, and then I'll go over whatever else needs to be done. So I'm gonna use this Eco Style gel. I have this one, it's the olive oil, shea butter, and black castor oil flaxseed. Is what it says. It says it has max hold and max shine. I don't think it holds like that for them to claim like a 10 max hold, but I mean, I guess it does the job a little bit. But to me, it curls up my hair when I put it on. It doesn't leave my hair straight and stuck like I would like it. I'm using all the combs, of course. Here's the metal comb. I just stick that in. I like using the combs because it adds a little bit more security to me, but you don't have to if you don't want to. You could cut the combs out or just put the wig on without the combs. And I pull it down on the back, and I stick the comb in on the back as well. And then I take 2 sides of the band here and I just pull it back. And now we have a secure headband wig that is not going to budge, slide, move, none of that. So now I'm going to spray it with some water so we can get a loose look, because I would like for it to look a little bit more loose. And I have my wide tooth comb. Start from the ends, you can get a lot less tangles, and then just work your way up. It's really long once you comb it out. You can imagine what this will look like straightened. So one side compared to the other side. I definitely like how it looks combed out a lot more versus the side with like no water in it whatsoever. This looks a lot more natural this way, and it actually added some length to it as well. I mean, it's different. Would I wear my hair like this? Probably not. I was trying to go for like a bang look, but I think in order to pull it off, I would have to either, no, making less doesn't even make it look good. I think I would need to like cut this, but I don't want to cut the hair. The bang look with this being left out is a no-go. Let's see if I put the hair back. Okay, this is a little bit better. It gives me like cleaning up the house type hairstyle. It's a very chill look for sure, but that's all the looks I'm gonna try today. I'm gonna go ahead and put this all down. Alright guys, so here is the ending look of today's video. I left a little bit of my hair out in the front just to add a little bit of bangs. Not a full-on bang, but just a little bit of extra fun there, and I think it's super cute. This style gives me like cleaning the house type vibes, like you're chilling around the house on a Saturday. But it's super chill, super easy to put on. It's very comfortable. So as you guys saw at the beginning of the clip of the video, the hair does come more stable. It comes more very defined with this curl, but what I did was I added some water and combed it out because I wanted a bigger hair look, something that looked a little bit more natural, that would flow better with my hair texture, and it literally blends perfect. It's really nice, big and full. The density is definitely high. Even with it combed out, it gave it like a nice length. I would say this is probably about 18 inches long. It's pretty long and thick. The hair is human hair, so you can dye this hair if you want to. If you don't want it to be all black, you could probably add some cute highlights to it, which I think would be very, very cute. This hair comes with a band around it, so I did use the same headband for all of the looks, but as you can see, this unit is very versatile, you guys. You could try so many different styles. Lots of body as well, very bouncy hair. It's a really cute unit. If you guys are interested in it, make sure you check out my description bar below. I'll have a link there for you to purchase. So I want to say thank you to MyShinyWigs for providing today's unit. I hope you guys enjoyed today's review. If you did, make sure you leave me a thumbs up and comment and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.